Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to give one of the most important concept, how to clear the subject VLSI like design and testing. You may feel one of the toughest subject, that is VLSI design and testing. How to pass within 24 hours. Okay, that is what I wanted to convince you. So you can confidently prepare for the examination and get cleared at the earliest. Not only clearing, but you can have a good score as well. So today I'm going to talk about the passing package for the subject VLSI design. Before explaining the important concept and important topic, I request you to follow the given checklist. Number one, focus on the definition, concept, differences, characteristics that you have to keep in your mind. So you should master in inverter behavior, CMOS logic types and layout rules. That is mandatory. You may get a questions. Understand the diagrams mandatory, labeling clearly, practice and drawing quickly. Not only reading, you try to practice it. Similarly, prepare 2 to 3 questions per module thoroughly and often or repeated type questions you can identify and figure out. I'll let you know what are the important questions. Cover the minimum theory, key diagrams, and short notes based on the answers and keep on practicing, keep on revising, keep on repeat. These are the thumb rule I would like to convey you for the subject VLSI. Yes, so there are certain more checklist I just wanted to share with you so that you can confidently prepare the examination. Let me go through module number one. In the module, what you are supposed to do is it's basically CMOS basics you are going to learn. Focus on MOS transistor and the working. How does it operate? CMOS logic and inverter operation. You might have done the same thing in the laboratory as well. CMOS versus NMOS comparison. Then alternative circuit representation. These are the basic things you should focus. Expected questions are explain the CMOS logic with the neat diagrams, compare the CMOS and NMOS logic, then describe MOS transistor as a switch. So, like the thing is, a few tips I want to convince you that understand the push up and push pull network and the simple truth table based on the logic conversion. That is mandatory. So you please focus on this concept to crack module one. There are some important concept and technique in module 2. It covers the MOS transistor theory. Focus on NMOS, PMOS characteristics without fail. Threshold voltage and body effect you should understand. What is CMOS inverter and a VA characteristics. Then the gain BN by BP ratio effect and noise margin and latch up condition. These are the basic things you need to focus. Probable questions are explain the CMOS inverter and DC characteristics. What is a latch up in CMOS? How to prevent it? Discuss beta n by beta p ratio and what is the impact. And there is a curve associated with the bn by bp that also please study. Draw the inverter curve, memorize the formulas for threshold voltage and body effect. These are the probable questions, one of the sure shot questions you can expect in your examination. So please mind these points in your in your mind. Definitely, you can clear it up. In the module 3, you are going to focus on the process technique and performance estimation. Here you need to focus on the CMOS fabrication steps and methods, design rules, minimum spacing with width, capacitance and resistance estimation, switching characteristics and power consumption, and scaling and yield. These are the focus area. Expected questions are write short notes on scaling on MOSFET circuit, explain the power consumption in CMOS, define and explain the yield. These are the important questions you can expect in the forthcoming examination. The important tip I would like to convey you that write definition precisely and mention the influencing parameters without fail. Your memory should be very much powered for answering these kind of questions. In the module for CMOS logic design, which focus on the CMOS logic type, what are the complementary, pseudo-norm, NMOS, dynamic no, NMOS, etc. Pass transistor logic only and the physical layout of inverter, NAND and NOR. It is mandatory. Then body effect and input output pads. Those topics you need to cover. The expected questions are compare the CMOS complementary logic and the pseudo NMOS logic. Draw the layout of CMOS, then NAND and CMOS NOR without fail. Explain the dynamic CMOS logic. So do one thing, use clear logic diagram, gate level schematics and explain properly. So please revise these topics if you are not confident to appear for the examination. It is mandatory because these are the probable questions I want to convey you that. Next is actually sequential logic and testing. In the sequential logic and testing, the question is you talk about the SR latch and JK latch, so mathematical elaboration is not required. Then flip-flop operation, clocked behavior of flip-flop operation is mandatory. Design styles and basics of testing techniques. These are the important thing you need to remember. Probable questions are explain the SR latch with a diagram. Write a short note on clocked JK latch. Then what are the different design styles in VLSI? Mention the importance of testing in VLSI. The tip I wanted to convey you that focus on the conceptual clarity with a deep timing analysis. Prepare a short note. That is only the remedy for answering and cracking these questions. So, in the most repeated questions are CMOS inverter characteristics from module 2, CMOS versus NMOS logic, in which is already given in module 1. Design rules plus yield belong to module 3. NAND or NOR physical layout, it is belong to module 4. JK flip-flop behavior in module 5. Threshold voltage and body effect in module 2. So, these are the important topics you must focus. How to pass within 10 to 12 hours. So, 1 hour, study one full questions per module with a diagram. Understand the inverter behavior, write down the definition and 2 to 3 lines of explanation with a diagram. Attempt full paper, never leave any questions. That is the another thumb rule I want to convey you. Practice drawing and labeling quickly. These are the important tips how to clear within 10 to 12 hours. You can do it. There is no need to worry. Similarly, I want to go for with the suggested block for last minute study. Principle of CMOS logic design, nail HE and base Qumran. So please go through and download the textbook and the CMOS digital integrated circuit, Sungmo, car, and the use of labelization. These are the important textbook which will help you to have a glance at the last moment. I wish you all the very best for your examination. All are supposed to clear without any doubt and try to achieve the good marks. Okay, I request you to subscribe my channel. If you want to get a similar kind of video, kindly put the bell button also. Request you to like, share, and comments. And your valuable inputs are very important for further improvement in our. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.